Measuring a pair of wood doors in a hollow metal frame for clearance compliance.
It is done in the same manner as a single door, except we have to measure in between pairs as well. But you have 3/4 of an inch at the bottom and a maximum 1/8 inch on the hinge stiles, the top rails, and between the pairs. So we take our gauge down on the floor, we go all the way across, and we see if it goes in with any kind of excessive play. Then we'll take our 1/8 inch and we'll come up the hinge stile. It does not go in. We'll keep, here it goes in, but it's a little tight. But up here, it's still snug and still snug here. So we are at 1/8 of an inch. So that is compliant. Across the top, we are tight until we get to the second door here, where we have some play. And then we'll come down the hinge stile of this door and check it the same way we did the other one. And there it's compliant there. To go between the doors, you're still on the pull side, and we'll go in with our 1/8 inch. Here we can get it in and it's got a little bit of play. So this opening is compliant on the bottom. This side is compliant on the hinge stile and the top rail. This leaf is out of compliance at the top, in compliance on the hinge side. Between the pairs though, we are out of compliance from about here down. Always measure on the pull side, and that is how you measure a pair of doors.
Follow DOIT for the latest in door industry training and insights.